Hi, I'm Nicole with Picnic by Blog My Lunch, and today I am reviewing some magnets. They're made by Somasix. They're very large magnets. They come with each capital letter and lowercase letter and 1 through 0. And they are non-toxic, lead-free, and very fun to play with. Go ahead, put them on the fridge. And this is my assistant Kayla, and the little one on sitting on me is Aviva. And you see she's making little pretty designs on the fridge with the letters. And that is pretty cool, and they're fun to play with. I look forward to doing my next product review.